Your Maytag washer might be locked and full of water due to several reasons, most commonly error codes like LF for load balance, SUD for excess suds, DU for drain issue, or F8E1 for control board failure. These issues typically trigger the lid lock mechanism and prevent the drain pump from working. Unbalanced loads, clogged drains, faulty sensors, software glitches, or control board malfunctions can all contribute to this problem. Knowing the cause is the first step to fixing it. Before attempting any fixes, unplug your Maytag washer from the power outlet. This prevents electrical shock. Have a bucket ready to collect the drained water and towels to clean up any spills. Locate the drain hose at the back of the washer or the filter on front loaders to prepare for manual draining. Safety is paramount when dealing with water and appliances. First, for safety, ensure the washer is completely unplugged. Next, locate the drain hose at the back of the washer. Place the end of the hose into a bucket positioned lower than the washer to let gravity drain the water. For front loaders, remove the lower access panel to access the pump filter, then manually siphon the water. Allow the water to drain completely before moving to the next steps. First, make sure the load inside the washer is balanced. Redistribute the clothes evenly around the drum. If the washer remains locked, unplug it for 5 to 10 minutes. This brief power interruption can reset the control board and release the lid lock. Try this before moving on to more complex solutions. After performing the short reset, plug the washer back into the power outlet to restore power. Try running a test cycle by selecting a short wash cycle and pressing Start. This checks if the reset worked. If the test cycle doesn't work, perform an extended reset. Unplug for 1 minute, plug back in, and immediately hold the Start/Pause button for 3 to 5 seconds. This forces a system reset. Always check your user manual for model-specific reset instructions to ensure proper procedure. To prevent future lock and drain issues, start by using high-efficiency HE detergent. Regular detergents can create excessive suds, which trigger the SUD error code and cause the washer to lock while retaining water. HE detergents are formulated to produce fewer suds in low-water environments. Next, avoid overloading your washer. Putting in too many clothes can cause the load to become unbalanced during spinning, triggering the LF error code. This leads to the washer locking and potentially retaining water. Follow your model's capacity guidelines to ensure proper balance and drainage. Finally, regularly clean the drain pump filter. Debris like lint, coins, or soap residue can build up and clog the filter, preventing proper drainage and causing the washer to lock with water inside. Check and clean the filter every few months or after noticing drainage issues to maintain optimal performance. If emergency drains, unlocks, and resets don't resolve the issue, there may be deeper hardware problems like a faulty control board, drain pump, or clogged drains. Signs include repeated failures, persistent error codes such as LF for load balance, DU for drain issues, SUD for excess suds, or F8E1 for board failure, and water that won't drain despite manual efforts. According to expert data, about 70% of these issues can be fixed with simple resets and drains, but 30% require professional repair for parts like pumps or control boards, costing $100 to $300. Real-world examples include Whirlpool's recalls and settlements for faulty components in Maytag models, affecting over 500,000 units. For these deeper issues, contact a certified appliance repair technician or Maytag support to properly diagnose and repair hardware problems. This helps avoid further damage to your washer or voiding the warranty, ensuring safe and effective fixes. Maytag is increasingly integrating smart technology into its washers. The Maytag app offers remote diagnostics and AI-assisted alerts for potential issues. Expect future models to feature over-the-air firmware updates and predictive maintenance, reducing the need for manual intervention. Stay updated with Maytag's latest software and app features for optimal performance.